Hello, everybody. So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about 3D printing and how it affects SDGs in Japan. All right. So first, I'd like to start off with what is 3D printing. So it is three-dimensional printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a physical object from a digital design. The process works by laying down thin layers of material in the form of liquid or powdered plastic, metal, or cement, and then fusing the layers together. Designers use 3D printing to quickly create product models and prototypes, but they're increasingly being used to make final products as well. Among the items made with 3D printers are shoe designs, furniture, wax castings for making jewelry, tools, tripods, gift and novelty items, and toys. So who is using 3D printing? Right here, I have the leading countries in 3D printing. As you can see, Germany is on top there with a little under $1.3 billion. And then the USA is not too far behind, as well as China. And then after those top three countries, you can definitely start seeing the gap with France, Italy, UK, Japan, and so on and so forth. Why are they using 3D printing? So 3D printing allows for the design and print of more complex designs than traditional manufacturing processes. More traditional processes have design restrictions which no longer apply with the use of 3D printing. Here's my SWOT analysis. So the strengths: more options on what to print, more precise design, no restrictions on what to print. Some weaknesses I have: that do not allow for anything too crazy, and technology might not be quite advanced just yet, but I think it'll definitely get there to do pretty much whatever you want to do in the future. Some opportunities here: increasing the market for technology, increasing creativity and imagination for designers and companies that make 3D technology. These are my threats, and then malfunctions in the technology. All right, where are they using 3D printing? So again, my country is Japan. Japan's additive manufacturing and 3D printing market is expected to grow over the next 5 years, anticipating increased industrial use. A key trend in the Japanese market is that the private use of 3D printing machines is likely to decrease, and the industrial use will continue to grow. Experts believe that the private use of 3D printing equipment market is now in the saturation stage and past a peak of market growth. Industrial use of 3D printing for large-scale production is expected to grow in automotive, aerospace, and machine tools mass production. A unique reason for Japan's interest in this sector is the shrinking of Japan's population. When are they using 3D printing? Japanese additive manufacturing is rising. The Nikkei estimates the Japanese 3D printing market compound annual growth rate to be 9.1% between 2017 and 2022, when the market is expected to be worth about $430 million. This is, however, just a tiny percentage of the overall Japanese manufacturing industry, which generates a little over $4 billion a year, and 3D printing has been alive and well in Japan. All right, so here's 3D printing and the SDGs, and here's the SDGs that I believe will have a positive effect of 3D printing, and that would be quality education, decent work and economic growth, and industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something.